Yes, give
A conversation between a teacher and a student?
Okay, good. Okay.
Actually, I don't remember that. Okay, doesn't matter.
I don't have anything. So,
Any idea? Make it natural.
the
Hansi is
notes,
the
I
teacher.
don't have any
Hansi is the
notes.
teacher. Hansi is the teacher. Ashan is going to be the student.
So, okay. Hello, is this Hansaja, Mr. Hansaja?
Yes, speaking.
Are you an English teacher?
Yes.
Actually, I have 2 children, so I am looking for an English teacher to teach them.
So, how old are the ages of them?
How old are they? How old are they?
How old are they?
The elder one is 8 years old, and the youngest one is 5 years old.
Okay, do you need to spoken English class or grammar class?
Yes. Both classes.
Both spoken English and grammar.
Yes, both spoken English and grammar classes.
Okay. So in spoken English classes, I am doing for every student, I mean grade 1 to grade 6.
I conduct spoken English classes from students from grade 1 to grade 6 or 9.
6.
I conduct spoken English classes for the students from grade 1 to grade 6.
I conduct spoken English classes for the students from grade 1 to grade 6.
Okay. That's so nice. Actually, my youngest one is 5 years old, so I want to teach.
Do an individual class.
I want you to teach them.
Yes. I want you to teach him since his childhood. So I think it's better to his future education.
I think it will be good. It will be good for his future education.
Yes, it will be good for his future education. So, can you suggest a time to teach them?
Okay, so for your elder one, I'm doing a Wednesday class, a grammar class. Wednesday.
I will do a grammar class on Wednesday.
ඒක සාර මං වෙන්ස්ඩේම දිගටම කරන් යන ක්ලාස් එක මෙයා ඇඩ් කරන්න කියලා.
Can I add your elder son? Can I add your elder son to my grade 9 grammar class that I do on Wednesday?
Can I add your elder son grade
9 grammar class that I have been doing on Wednesdays?
Okay, that I have been doing on Wednesdays. It's 3 p.m. to 5:30 p.m.
Is he free at that time?
Is he free?
Yes. It doesn't matter. That time is very good. So, how about the youngest one?
Yeah. So on Wednesday, I'll do his theory lessons, grammar ones, and I'm conducting a spoken English class. I will conduct a spoken English class on Friday for only to your sons. Your elder one, the younger one. I will conduct it on Friday. Are they free on Friday?
Very nice. So yes, it doesn't matter. I can arrange them. How about the fees of classes?
How about your charges?
Yes. How about your charges?
So the fees are, I usually take 1,000 from one student for month. That doesn't matter.
1,000 rupees is charge for each student per month.
Each 1,000 rupees is charged for each student for month.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Actually, I can pay you class fees in secondary.
Class fees.
Yeah, class fees on second week of the month.
In the second week of every month. In the second week of every month.
Yes.
Okay.
In the second week of every is it doesn't matter?
No, it doesn't matter. So I'm conducting these classes free for the first week, so you can come and get an idea of my class, and you can choose whether joining them or just leave it.
You can decide. You can
okay,
decide.
Sir.
You can decide whether to admit them or not.
Admit them or not.
Okay, sir. It's so nice. Actually, sir, I also want to improve my English knowledge. Can I join with your classes?
Can I join your?
Yeah, sure.
Can I join your adults classes?
Yes. Can I join your adults classes?
Yeah, sure. So I'm conducting 3 classes per week for every adult. So they are on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Saturdays. So if you're free at any day, you can join. It will help from 8:30 to 11:30. Is it okay?
It doesn't matter, sir. I can join.
Hasan, if you attend his class from 8:30, how would you join my class? Don't do that. I will be landed. Don't do that. I will be landed. I will lose 2 students.
I can time travel, sir.
I
like
also
in
need to join
Harry Potter movie.
class also. From 9:30.
I can be both classes.
I can attend both classes.
Yes, I can attend both classes.
So your fees also the same 1,000 rupees.
10,000.
Okay, sir.
10,000.
No, 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah.
Actually, your prices are very reasonable, sir. I am happy about that. So
okay,
thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your information.
Thank you very much for your valuable time.
Yes, thank you very much
for your
valuable time.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you.
Right. Now, Hasan and Miss Udeni. Right. Miss Udeni is the teacher. Hasan is the one who calls to get the class done. Right. Hasan and Miss Udeni, yeah? Miss Udeni is the teacher.
I will try, sir.
Excuse me. Hello, is this Udeni? Miss Udeni?
Yes, speaking. How can I help you?
Actually, can I know, are you an English teacher?
I am one Hasan from Kirindivela.
Yes, I am one Hasan from Kirindivela. Actually, I want to know, are you an English teacher?
I want to know. I want
Sorry,
to know.
Can I know?
I want to know whether you are an English.
Yes, I want to know whether. Yes, actually, I want to know whether you are an English teacher.
Yes, I am. I am an English teacher.
Okay. Actually, I have 2 children. The elder one is in grade 8, and the youngest one is in grade 5. So I want you to teach them English.
Both.
So can you?
Both spoken English and grammar.
Yes, both spoken English and grammar. So can you teach them?
Yes, I can. I conduct my English class only weekends. And 9 to 11.
From 9 to 11.
From 9 to 11. Can you join weekends?
Actually, are you teaching them in same class or in separate classes?
Are you going to teach them in the same class or in separate classes?
Are you going to teach them in same class or separate classes?
No, I'm. වෙලාව බෙදලා තියන්නේ කියන්නේ. වෙලාව බෙදලා වෙන් කරලා තියන්නේ.
Time has been divided.
Yes, time has been divided.
So can I know the times of classes?
Grade 1 to 5
is held on is held on
grade 1 to 5 9 p.m. from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m.
You can say grade 1 to 5. Grade 1 to 5 is held on Mondays from not 9 p.m. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Let's say Saturdays. Grade 1 to 5 class is held on Saturdays from 9 to 11 a.m.
Grade 1 to 5 class held Saturday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m.
11 a.m.
Yes.
Then?
So that's cool. I will attend them those classes. So how about your charges?
1,000 per month.
1,000 per month. So it doesn't matter because it's very reasonable. Actually, I would. There are one child who is one of my relations. So he's in grade 11. Can you suggest a class for him?
Can you admit him to your O-level class?
Yes, can you admit him to your O-level class?
Okay, I can admit.
You may give my number. You may give my number to his parents and ask them to call me.
Yes. You will give my number.
You may give my number.
You may give my number his parents.
And ask them to call me.
Ask them to call me.
I will make arrangements. I will make arrangements.
I will make arrangements.
Okay,
miss. Thank you. Actually, I will.
Don't always use actually. Otherwise, others will start to call you Mr. Actually.
Okay, thank you, Miss Sudeni.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.